channel Zamzai. So guys, today I'm going to be making chocolate brownies, which we're going to be making in a microwave. So now let's get on with the video. First we'll add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour into 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. Then we'll add 1 cup of powdered sugar and half cup of cocoa powder. Then we will add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of oil. Then we will mix the mixture slowly until it looks like this. We will grease the dish, which is microwave friendly, and add the batter. Then we will microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. I also went ahead and made mini ones. So guys, this is so yummy. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.